Hi everyone, I thought I would continue on with my series of my top products and product tips and why I love these products so much. I'm trying to aim for 10, so I think I'm up to number 3. And the product I want to talk about today is something I haven't talked about a lot actually, but it is the Mary Kay Makeup Finishing Spray. Now, I absolutely love this stuff, mainly because, as you know, I have a really oily skin type, and this I find really helps keep my makeup stay put all day. But there's a certain way that I use it, and I'd like to talk about that a little bit today. So this makeup spray is actually the same spray as the Scandinavian one that a lot of YouTubers talk about, but a lot of people don't know that, but it is branded in the Mary Kay bottle, and it's absolutely amazing. It's so fresh, it just feels like a toner, and it just keeps everything staying put all day long. So the way I like to use it, because obviously with a really oily skin type, even though I use a primer and I use the foundations for oily type, I use skincare for oily type, by midday my makeup can start to look a little bit shiny. And I know the trend is at the moment to have glowy looking foundation, but not that glowy, trust me. So I really like this because it doesn't feel like anything on the skin. So basically what I do is I like to, after I've cleansed and moisturize, so normally I'll get up, have my shower, put on my cleanser and everything, and then moisturize when I jump out of the shower. Then I will go and make coffee and get dressed, whatever. And then when I'm ready to do my makeup for work, before I put anything on my face, I'll actually spray this. And what it does is it just puts a very light coating over the skin, and I feel like it just seals in all the skincare. So then I do my foundation, and I will normally, sometimes I'll do the bronzer and the contouring first, but usually I'll just do my foundation first, and then I will spray again, and then let that dry a little bit. Usually I find the easiest thing to do is actually go and do your eye makeup while you're letting the face dry, and I'll do my eye makeup, and then I will go back in and do cheeks, bronzer, finishing powder. So the translucent powder is awesome because it's so lightweight and it just helps to matte everything down but not look cakey. And then when I'm completely finished all of putting my face on, I will do one more spray of this. So all up, I'm using it 3 times, and I can truthfully say that my makeup stays put. It doesn't slide around on my face throughout the day. The oiliness is so much less than what it would be if I hadn't done it this way. And I still touch up during the day, but I'm nowhere near all greasy and shiny and oily like I would be without it. So that's how I use this product. And then the best way to actually do it is, they say actually in the T, obviously if you're combination to oily and you've got, you know, oily T-zone, then the letter T, so across your forehead, 2 swipes, so it's really easy, or in the letter X, so 1 that way and 1 that way. So let me show you how I do it. Just like that. And that's as easy as it is. It's a fantastic product. I would definitely spritz everybody with this at a makeup appointment just so that they can feel how refreshing it is. You can use it just you know, as a freshener during the day. You don't have to just be an oily skin type for this product. It's for everybody, and it just helps your makeup stay really, really nice. Another thing that probably people with dry skin really like it for is you don't want sometimes that powdery look, but you want to set your makeup. So, you know, after you've put powder on, it can look a little bit dry. This helps to take away the dryness. So it just helps that powder absorb into the foundation in a nice sort of soft way. So yeah, definitely give this a go. If you're already using it, tell me, what do you think? How are you using it? How do you find it helps your skin type in particular? I'd love to know all the ins and outs and what other successes people are having with this product, because like I say, I absolutely love it and I cannot live without it. So that's this video for my top tips this week. So I hope you're having a great week, and I look forward to seeing you all again really soon. Thanks guys, bye.